I'm sorry you're fat.
What?
I'm talking to the dog.
Hey, come here.
What almost said?
Nibbled.
What?
Nibbled.
What?
Come here.
Is this a video?
Yeah.
Don't have the baby.
No, come here.
What the hell do I come here for?
Come here.
Why?
Say hi.
I gotta find a pill machine.
No, say
Hi.
hi. Why you have to be gay all the time? Oh my god.
I'm faggot right now. I just like woke up.
Nibbles. Nibbles.
Nibbles.
Say hi. Hi, Bobby.
I don't know this, but he hates you.
He does not hate me. He has a strong liking towards me. Right? Better fucking like me. Better fucking like me. Oh, don't have to be beautiful. Look at Caitlin's mini laptop. Oh. Jesus Christ, it's gonna be forever. Oh.
Dude, I cannot find it. Oh.
What are you doing?
I can't find it.
Find what? What are you looking for?
The other pillowcase. I can't find it.
Oh, look at my... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What?
I don't know.
Why you have to be gay?
I need to be Spider-Man. What?
Did you just say Spider-Man?
I was thinking about crawling up these little stairs.
Do it. Do it.
I can't. They'll fall down and then I'll feel horrible. Because my dress just broke and now my now my fingers are gonna break. I can't find the
Oh, let's go look at what you did to your dress. Let's have a gander at what Caitlin did to her dress. Caitlin thought it'd be really cute to put her dress on her mannequin, but her mannequin's boobs are bigger than Caitlin's. And strap broke. But I don't think this goes very well.
It does too.
It doesn't look like it to me. You're a bitch. You should wear like this. This. What? What?
I hate not having matching shirts.
I got you good. Okay. Bye-bye now. Say bye, Caitlin. Say it.